Menteri Katanat Social Welfare ubak po Lyngba ulah penpau bakalong ke bakongsan ban lap bat man khanglat ya ka jingkhayi be an ya Drok bat ki wei ke jingdi pen buat haki jaka Rung syaka Jylla habaya keren bat kilat patai khubor ubak Lyngba ulaong da ke bak kedau syuk sembut Menteri Rangba badai khmi ya katanat po yeng bakalong ke bakongsan ban kentiu ya ka jingdon ki bor pulit haki to ki jaka Haduh nyopau nak Shispah kinong khayi Drok ki wan Rung syaka Jylla Lyngba ka East Jaintia Hills District ban Donkam ban penklan ya ki bor pulit hakate ke district nak kaliang ka sarkar Jylla kala terwa ban thungi mission director bathamai na ke benta ke dream project nama director ubamenta ula bunkam hapo katanat po ye
also proposed for a new mission director for the DREAM project because the current director is tied up with a number of responsibilities, heavy responsibilities in the home department. And apart from everything, this is something that even in the government, social welfare department on its own will not be able to successfully counter or bring down the rate of drug addiction. This involves the whole police department, it involves the entire state machinery, and certainly at the local level, we also need the active support of the community.